Hello everyone, I'm Yan-Mei Xue from the Marketing Department of Boxin. Today I will introduce to you the detection capabilities of our 600mm laser interferometer. First, let's take a look at the program interface. Here we can see the surface shape, deviation, peak to valley value, PV, root mean square, RMS, 2-dimensional contour map, topographic map, 3-dimensional column chart, interference fringe pattern, and K polynomials, etc. The 600mm laser interferometer is a core device for detecting large-size optical components. It can measure up to 600mm diameter flat lenses and obtain the full aperture surface shape in a single measurement, avoiding the error caused by splicing stitching. It can detect the indicators such as transmitted wavefront, refract wavefront, flatness, optical uniformity, parallelism, and other items of optical components. In terms of detection accuracy, the standard reference lens surface shape accuracy PV is better than 0.1 lambda. The measurement repeatability PV is better than lambda 100. And the RMS repeatability is better than lambda 1000. It can help us produce high-resolution, large-size optical products, shorten the production cycle, and reduce the comprehensive cost. We welcome inquiries for customized service on large-size optical components. Feel free to reach out to us.